Hello there, my name is Stephanie Rojo and I'm an attorney at Stone Law Offices in Northwest Las Vegas, Nevada. I'd like to talk to you today about how to avoid court supervision of your life in the event that you become incapacitated. What is a surefire way of avoiding that? Well, let me tell you, it's estate planning, estate planning, estate planning. What does that mean? What am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about establishing your revocable living trust, making sure you have the other documents that go along with that, like a last will and testament, financial power of attorney, as well as a healthcare power of attorney. So during your lifetime, if you become incapacitated, your trustee of your trust is going to manage your trust-owned assets. The financial power of attorney is going to be able to make financial decisions regarding the assets that are owned outside of your trust, and your healthcare agent is going to be able to make healthcare decisions over your person in the event that you're unable to make those decisions for yourself. In the event that you do not have these documents in place, this estate plan in place, the default during your life in the event that something happens to you and you can't make decisions for yourself, whether it's for financial reasons or healthcare, or for financial decisions or healthcare decisions, the default is guardianship. So in order to avoid that default, in order to avoid a guardianship with a judge's intervention, court involvement, you really, really, really need to have an estate plan in place. So having your trust in place, having your assets titled into your trust is ideal. You've got that financial power of attorney as the backup to cover assets that are not titled in the trust. And then you have your healthcare power of attorney where the agent under that document is going to be able to step in and make decisions on your behalf. It's really important that you have multiple people identified as a primary and then alternates for each of these different roles that I'm discussing here, because if something has happened to the first person and they can't serve for whatever reason, it's nice to have a backup and a backup to the backup. So take a look at your current plan. If you don't have a plan, you need to call an attorney and get a plan in the works, get a plan started. If you have an estate plan in place, but you have no idea or you can't remember who you've nominated for these different roles in these various documents, it's about time to pick up the phone, call your attorney, or call me so we can have a fire drill review of your estate plan to talk about not only the roles that are nominated in your documents, but go over the distribution provisions and really the what if something were to happen tomorrow, how is your estate plan going to play out? So make sure that you have that fire drill review. Make sure that the people you have identified on the documents are current. If somebody has passed away or you've fallen out with that person, you're no longer in a good working relationship with one another, we want to get those names updated, make sure we have the names current. If you have children who were minors when you initially created your estate plan, but now they're adults themselves, and you may want to consider pulling them into your documents as fiduciaries, then we can definitely make adjustments to get the names trustees and agents under your financial power of attorney and your healthcare power of attorney updated to be the people that you want, so that if something were to happen, you do have that plan in place and that plan is current, and we know that there would be a smooth transition in that event. So if you want to avoid guardianship during your lifetime, you absolutely need to estate plan. You absolutely need to make sure that that plan is current. And if you have any questions at all, or you're not sure if it's current, or you think it could be improved, please, please, please call your attorney to have that conversation to figure out what the next steps are and identify what changes need to be made. If you are no longer comfortable working with your existing attorney, that is okay. You are welcome to give me a call. I am more than happy to talk to you to go over your current plan or improve your plan. My name is Stephanie Rojo. I'm an attorney at Stone Law Offices in Las Vegas, Nevada, and you are welcome to call me at 702-998-0444. I look forward to hearing from you, working with you, and improving your plan. Thank you.